Hey, how you guys doing? Um, 2000, 2003 Yukon. Um, they tore it in and it had O2 sensor, fog codes, and fuel trim, lean, bank 1, bank 2, misfires, all other cores. So I was checking fuel injectors. I was doubting on the, um, PCM. I was doubting on fuel pump because all injector, this is V8, so it's all injector cannot go bad in same time. So something was similar. Something was okay. Cut the crap. What I did, I checked the fuel because the guy put fuel somewhere, and that fuel was not look like fuel, or someone, I don't know, someone put something in his tank. It was like whitish. It was not like fuel, like yellowish kind of thing. So what I did, actually, I didn't drop the tank to take the fuel out. um, what actually I did, let me show you guys. Shit. So there is a actually fuel line which I can. So there's, actually I put everything back. So I don't want to take it out. There's a fuel line going. So there's like two lines. One is return. Another one is going to the fuel rail. So you just want to take that fuel line out, and I'll show you this relay right here. You want to take this relay out and just put the, I do have a tool for it to jump it. So this is 30 and this one is 87. You want to put a piece of wire this corner and this corner. Do not mess up, please. Do not put here and here. You will fry your PCM. So look at that. That's engine. That's your relay. You want to put one side of wire here, other side here, and that fuel will start coming out. That's how easy it is. Just take the whole fuel out, or drop. If you can, just drop the tank and empty. Take the whole fuel out. I think that's. Yeah, but before, check your fuel pressure. Check your fuel pressure. If your fuel pressure is good, everything looks good, nothing makes sense, that's your fuel. Alright guys, thank you so much and bye.